The Auto Trail Excel 690L 2027 continues the brand's tradition of building practical, comfortable, and dependable motorhomes for travelers who value convenience and flexibility. With its modern coach-built design, efficient layout, and improved technology, this model is aimed at couples and small families seeking memorable adventures without sacrificing the comforts of home. Its sleek styling and refined exterior give it a premium appearance while maintaining the durability expected from a touring motorhome. The front profile looks fresh and aerodynamic, featuring sharp headlights, a stylish grille, and smooth body contours that improve both aesthetics and efficiency. The streamlined roofline blends well with the integrated overcab section, creating a clean and contemporary look that stands out on the road. Large mirrors and wide windows provide excellent visibility, making long-distance driving more comfortable and confident. Built on a reliable chassis, the Excel 690L offers stable handling and predictable road manners. The suspension is tuned for touring comfort, reducing vibration and providing a smooth ride across highways and secondary roads. Whether driving through mountain passes or cruising along coastal routes, the motorhome feels composed and easy to control. Power comes from a modern diesel engine designed to deliver strong torque and dependable performance. Acceleration is smooth, while the engine remains quiet during normal cruising speeds. The powertrain is well suited for carrying passengers, camping equipment, and supplies without feeling underpowered, even on longer journeys. Fuel efficiency has also been improved for the 2027 model, allowing owners to travel greater distances between refueling stops. The efficient drivetrain helps reduce running costs while supporting environmentally conscious travel. This balance of performance and economy makes the Excel 690L an attractive option for frequent touring. Stepping inside reveals a bright and welcoming cabin with quality materials and an intelligently organized layout. Large windows allow natural light to fill the living area, creating an open and spacious atmosphere. Soft furnishings, tasteful color combinations, and modern finishes contribute to a premium feel throughout the interior. The lounge area is designed for relaxation and socializing. Comfortable seating surrounds a practical dining table, making it ideal for family meals, games, or simply enjoying the scenery through the panoramic windows. Swivel cab seats further increase the available seating space when parked. The kitchen is equipped with everything needed for extended travel. It includes a multi-burner hob, oven, grill, sink, generous countertop space, and a large refrigerator. Clever storage compartments keep cookware and groceries organized while maximizing available space. Sleeping comfort is one of the highlights of the Excel 690L. The rear bedroom provides comfortable twin beds that can easily convert into a large double bed if desired. Premium mattresses and supportive bases ensure restful nights after long days of exploring. The washroom is practical and well designed, featuring a separate shower cubicle, modern toilet, wash basin, mirror, and storage cabinets. Good ventilation and durable waterproof materials help maintain comfort and cleanliness during extended trips. Storage capacity throughout the motorhome is excellent. Overhead lockers, under-bed compartments, wardrobes, and exterior storage lockers provide room for clothing, camping gear, outdoor furniture, and personal belongings. Every available space has been thoughtfully utilized. Heating and insulation make the Excel 690L suitable for year-round adventures. The efficient climate control system keeps the interior warm during winter and comfortable during cooler evenings, while proper insulation helps maintain a pleasant indoor temperature regardless of outside conditions. Entertainment features include a multimedia display, Bluetooth connectivity, USB charging ports, integrated speakers, and preparation for satellite television. Travelers can stay connected, enjoy music, or watch movies during evenings at the campsite. Safety remains a priority with multiple driver assistance technologies. Features such as anti-lock braking, electronic stability control, traction control, airbags, reversing camera options, and tire pressure monitoring contribute to greater confidence and peace of mind on every journey. Exterior convenience is enhanced by an extendable awning, exterior lighting, service access points, and practical storage compartments. These features simplify campsite setup and create a comfortable outdoor living area for relaxing or dining. Water and electrical systems are designed for extended off-grid camping. Large fresh and wastewater tanks, efficient battery management, solar panel compatibility, and energy-saving LED lighting allow travelers to remain self-sufficient for longer periods away from traditional campsites. Build quality is impressive, with durable construction methods that enhance structural strength and weather resistance. High-quality seals, robust body panels, and carefully engineered insulation help protect the motorhome from changing weather conditions while supporting long-term reliability. Driving comfort is further improved by supportive seats, an ergonomic dashboard, intuitive controls, and excellent visibility. Long hours behind the wheel are less tiring thanks to the well-designed driving position and modern cabin ergonomics. The overall ownership experience benefits from the model's practical maintenance requirements, reliable engineering, and thoughtfully designed living spaces. It offers a strong balance between luxury, usability, and affordability, making it suitable for both weekend escapes and extended European tours. The 2027 Auto Trail XL 690L is a well-rounded motorhome that combines stylish design, dependable performance, spacious accommodation, and modern technology into one impressive package. Its comfortable interior, practical features, and touring capability make it an excellent choice for travelers seeking freedom, comfort, and confidence on every adventure.